Hi viewers, looking to grow longer, stronger and healthier hair naturally? This protein-rich hair mask is a perfect solution made with fresh avocado, okra, banana, egg and rosemary. It will deeply nourish your scalp, strengthens your strands and promotes hair growth from the roots. I'll show you step by step how to make this easy homemade hair treatment, apply it properly and get the best results for hair that is fuller, softer and more resilient over time. So the ingredients will be some two avocados, 2.5 avocados, 1 banana. You can choose to use 1.5 avocado. That's okay. It depends on the amount of hair you have. You can use 2 avocado or 1.5, 1 banana, 1 raw egg, some fresh okra to your preference, and some rosemary activated a little bit with some warm water to make it to activate it, because I use the dry rosemary. Then chop everything together, put in a blender and blend to a smooth paste. And there you go. You can apply it to your scalp and leave it for 30 minutes and then wash away. So the ingredients determines how much or what you need for your hair. So the avocado in this case is rich in healthy fats and helps to moisturize your hair and promote hair growth as well. The banana in the treatment helps to soften and add shine to your hair. And also the raw egg is a natural protein boost that helps to boost your hair growth. So it is not just about eating protein, it is also, you need to also nourish your hair if you want your hair to grow rapidly and stronger as well. So rosemary boosts circulation to the scalp, and it is a very good a way to help stimulate hair growth from the roots. So a little bit of warm water added to the rosemary helps to activate the rosemary and blend smoothly as well. So blend all the ingredients into a smoother paste, just like you're seeing on the video, and then apply it generously to your scalp and hair. Massage gently and let it sit for 30 minutes and rinse and wash your hair as usual. But mind you have to do this treatment at least once every month for quicker and faster results. If your hair is thinner, it is broken and it is unhealthy, I will advise you do it regularly, once every month or once in 2 months. But if you have a very good texture and a good hair that you just want to boost this treatment, because protein treatment is very necessary for all hair types and is very necessary to maintain and promote hair. So if you have to do this particular treatment, make sure you do it on a consistent mode, okay? All right, the paste is ready at this point, and I transferred it into this bowl that is very easy for me. Then I went back to my hair and I sectioned my hair into 4 portions that will make it easier for me to apply the paste to my hair and scalp. So this is basically what I did at this phase, and then start to massage the paste from my scalp to the tips of the hair. But I try to comb my hair so that it gives me the flexibility to go in between my hair and reduce breakage along the line. So I just continue applying the paste from one face to the other as I section the hair, and that is how I applied the paste. So when I apply the paste to the first section, I leave it in a little bundle and then move next to the next phase, the next section of my hair. I do it simultaneously for all the 4 sections of my hair. and try to go in between, massage right up to the scalp. In this process, I am also encouraging blood circulation to my hair, because it's not every time I take my time to like massage my scalp like this. So when it is my hair day, it is a joyful day, because this day I will sleep properly, because it, as much as blood circulation is diving into my hair, into my scalp, it also gives that calmness, that soothness for me to sleep calmly. My brain is more relaxed and more comforting to relax in this atmosphere. This day I had to sleep in the afternoon because I was off from work. And if you have to do this treatment, make sure you have enough time, because make sure you prepare like 1 hour 30 minutes for this treatment, for the sectioning of your hair, the application of the paste, then leaving it for 30 minutes, then doing other stuff, and then come back to wash. So now it has been 30 minutes after the application, and I'm washing my hair with just normal water. It is not cold and it is not hot. If you wash it with hot water, you will end up with coagulations of the dye you have put on your hair. So make sure you wash your hair with not too cold water and not too hot water, just warm, lukewarm water, let me put it that way, so that you don't destroy anything, and make sure that everything is washed out of your hair. So after washing the paste, I then added some shampoo, and then this shampoo helps again to take out every rough particles from the treatment that I had already put in my hair, and helps it to also smoothly wash the hair. It is a hair wash day, so I make sure that everything, I wash it properly. I'm trying to show you the brand of shampoo I'm using, but because of the length of the video, I couldn't make it shorter. I just had to make it very quick so that the video wouldn't be too long. But I'm using this collagen shampoo. I can't remember the brand, but at this point making this video, I can't go back to look at the name. But if you want me to tell you the shampoo I'm using, please comment down below and I will be glad to tell you. So now after the shampooing, I am now applying this conditioner to my hair, and I leave it again and massage my hair, gently comb my hair at this point, which makes it easier for the comb to go through, and it will also reduce breakage. At the end of this treatment, my hair loss was very little, which is something very strange. I don't usually have that. Sometimes I treat my hair with flaxseed mixture with aloe vera, and sometimes I do this treatment. But doing the protein treatment as a natural hair keeper like mine is very important to like help the texture, to strengthen the hair, to add your shine, and to keep your hair in a healthy mood. And it's also time for you to relax, because keeping this hair wash day, it is a relaxing day, like I said before. So I've been shampooing, I have conditioned my hair, and look at that, look at the length of this hair. This hair has grown so beautifully, and because I am on a weight loss journey and I've been eating very healthy, I've noticed a lot of changes on my hair. Every part of my body is adjusting to my weight loss, and this is just what is amazing about this journey. When you make a decision to do something, it's one of my best decisions I've made so far in the past years. So try this hair treatment and let me know what you think about this. If you will be trying this, please comment down below. So now I'm adding this rosemary peppermint oil. This is just also to activate the scalp, and it is perfect at this point for me to help stimulate blood circulation over my scalp, and I massage that gently. Just imagine this care in a particular day, your relaxed day. I mean, after this hair treatment, I slept like a baby for a very long time. I had to sleep this much, and I'm so happy making this video to show you guys that it works, right? Please don't forget to subscribe, comment down below, and share. So this is it.